Today I'm going to be reviewing Alevmoom Porta Potty shot glasses. I mean, could you think of anything that would be better to be a shot glass? I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what they look like up close. Just acrylic plastic. Hand wash only, so keep that in mind. These do come out, so it's easier to clean. Nice little details on there. Kind of funny. And you can actually get these in sets of 2 or 4. This is the box it comes in, not very big. If you think about it, probably a really nice white elephant gift. Look at that. It's the first porta potty I've ever seen with 2 doors, but okay. I think they're funny. I think this would be a great gag gift, white elephant gift. These do have 5 stars on Amazon, not too many reviews, so I don't really put much into that. But last month, 200 plus of these were bought. So people are buying these and it looks like they're keeping them. I'm not seeing that they're being returned. I hope this review helps and I'll see you next time.